If you're looking to learn code and you're feeling a little stuck, maybe frustrated, or you're just not getting any better, then you might be making one of these 3 common beginner mistakes. And I've seen hundreds of students struggle with these, so you're not alone. But today I'm going to show you how you can fix them, and that way you're able to make some real progress. So I've taught absolute beginners, and I've noticed that there are patterns, and these same mistakes pop up again over and over. But the good news is each one of these has a real simple fix. Let's jump right into it. And the first mistake is jumping into projects that are really too advanced for you. So from my standpoint, many beginners, they try to make a very huge app, maybe that be a game or a website, and it is happening before they're even learning the basics. And this is going to lead into frustration, confusion, and even burnout. So one of the things that you want to think about when you are learning is think about those mini wins, right? Start off with something that's small, start off with focused projects, something that you could finish within 1 to 2 days. We're not looking for something that is going to be a month-long project here. And what am I talking about? Hey, let's start with a button click. Let's do a counter app. Let's do a to-do list. Let's do a notes app. Then, let's go to something bigger because your skills are stacking on top of each other and you're not starting with that social media clone. We're not looking for the Instagram or the Facebook as that project that you're trying to do to learn how to code. So start off small and then work your way up to that final project. So mistake number 2, I would say, is focusing on memorization over solving the problem. So the problem is that many beginner students, they'll come in and they'll try to memorize all these syntax rules and functions and methods, but they avoid the project because they don't know enough yet. And so this is where you're going to feel stuck because maybe you forgot that syntax that is going to help solve the problem, but you're focused more on being stuck than looking it up in the documentation. Or nowadays we even have ChatGPT. So the solution for this is you want to embrace the documentation. You want to know what tools you have, but you don't want to memorize them. Just know that they're available for you to access. It's very easy to look up with the MDN documents, W3 schools, and like I said earlier, you have ChatGPT to really help explain things and bring things into you. So you want to practice breaking the problem down into smaller steps, even if you just need to search for the syntax. So stay away from memorization. Just know that the tools are available and where you can find them. And that works out perfect. There's not a developer out there that has memorized the entire documentation. I can guarantee you that. And that is what Google and Stack Overflow, ChatGPT, and all the other documentation places are for. So that is mistake number 2. So another mistake that I see a lot with beginners is they are copy and pasting code without really understanding what that code does. And when you ask them to modify that code, they are breaking it rather than fixing it. That's the problem. Now, how do we have a solution for this? What can you do to better yourself? After pasting your code, you can go line by line and kind of explain it to yourself. Talk to yourself out loud on what each thing does. You can also put breakpoints in there in the code to stop the program from executing and see what it is doing. And definitely you can put comments in your code to help you recognize, especially when you are beginning, on what each one of those lines are doing. Now, I would not suggest you copy and pasting, put it in a ChatGPT saying, explain this to me, but rather take a more proactive approach in the learning, which is, hey, I'm going to tell you what I think this is doing, and can you tell me if I'm right or wrong? And it will tell you whether or not you're right or wrong. And you can even take it one step further, is if you're learning some sort of concept, maybe it's about loops. You can say, hey, I'm learning about loops. Give me some more practice problems with loops. And it will definitely give you some practice problems and it can check your solutions for you. Now, every coder, even professionals, they make mistakes. And the difference is they've learned how to spot them early and adjust. If you avoid these traps and focus on the steady progress, you're going to be amazed at what you can do and how quickly your skills are going to grow. Now, if you're ready to skip all the guesswork and you would love to have some direct feedback while you're learning, that's exactly what we do here at PreCodeCamp. We give you guided step-by-step instructions, answer questions. We have lots of videos out there to help you along your learning journey. Now, if this video has been helpful for you, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below on which mistake you struggled with. I read every single one of your comments, by the way. So take care, and we'll see you in the next video.